What if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead? Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. What if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead? Then will you get bored of killing?
I feel like I'm always the one coming into frame.
I'm the one that starts in
It's because I'm doing all the work.
Oh, is that so?
Beauty, brawn.
Yes, I am the beauty.
That's the way that it is. Welcome back to another episode of Turn 5.
Today we are doing what?
Here's the deal. I've been wearing this hat for a little while.
Yep.
It's got a little sweat ring on it. It knows that I've been working. And guess what? I don't like it anymore. So we're going to throw it away.
And get a new one?
Let's go get some new merch.
You know where we could get it? Where we got these.
Yeah, let's do it. My hat's gonna get run over with an awkward high five. This is a sketchy place. Let's do a quick rev battle before we go.
All right.
And then try to find some new merch.
Yeah.
Come along with us.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I reckon that you're gonna lose this rev battle, so I'm gonna let you start the car first with your minuscule flat six, and then we'll move on to the great mighty beast of a V8.
I suppose a 2.7 liter flat six can't sound better than a
4.8 liter?
V8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Impossible. Let's try it though. Let's not scare the neighbors or the little frogs. Hey, you might as well just keep it running because
okay.
I'm gonna far overshadow your noise. You know what we should do? Let's get them under load on the highway.
All right.
Let's give the fans what they've been dying for. Can't you hear them?
Oh, I hear him chanting. Fly by, fly by.
All right, your request.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I've got issues in my head, I'm like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Everything is like a test, the way I text, the whole
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. Then will you get bored of killing?
Well, Ty, that was successful.
Yeah, it was.
Kind of.
It was very
Like everything in the world, toilet paper, baby food.
microchips for your cars.
Things are hard to come by these days, so they're gonna get back to us with some hats. We think that you're really gonna like what we got. Let's vamos.
Vamos? Vamos, vamos?
Vamos, vamos.
Ah, vamos, vamos.
A little more scenery, and we'll wrap it all up.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it.
Tyler, where you at, boy?
Right here.
Guess what?
What?
We did it.
What do we do?
A lot of sketchy stuff.
I mean, I just flew the drone over a mile. I think I closed in on 2 miles.
Today's vlog. Here, you hold this thing. I am so terrible
No,
at
you
it.
got this. I
All
believe
right,
in you.
all right. Today's vlog was full of pure sketchiness, which probably doesn't come through on camera, but trust us. We crashed the drone.
Yep.
We drove it, what, 4 miles?
That's what the cars get. It didn't go all that distance because it got to cut corners, but it was a total of like 2 from its home point.
You already saw some of that footage, so that was good. But the good news is we got more merch coming our way. We're gonna cover up this bald head with some pretty fantastic merch,
Yes.
I do say, if I can say so myself. What else do we got? Next week,
I don't know what we're doing.
I'm gonna have surgery on my foot on Wednesday.
And that's gonna make next week's video kind of hard.
We're gonna do something cool though, I guarantee you that. It probably will have an awkward high five in it.
Yep.
Whoa, and well,
I'm back. Don't you worry, I'm back.
we should end this before it goes like the drone to the ground.
Yep.
Take care. We'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.
And
we'll see you later.
Later. Click like, comment, and subscribe.
Or just the start of it. I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back